Rhyme time with Archana ma'am. Today we will learn to observe a picture and describe it in simple sentences. We will learn about number order, forward and backward. We will also learn and memorize the rhyme through play.
Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn a new rhyme. What is a rhyme? It is a poem. So we will learn about a rhyme, and the name of the rhyme is 10 Little Indians. Indians. Who is an Indian, Archana ma'am? An Indian is the one like you and me. The one who belongs to India, जो इंडिया में रहता है. इंडिया हमारा देश है, हम इंडिया में रहते हैं, इसीलिए हम अपने आप को इंडियन बोलते हैं. सो ये पोएम इज अबाउट 10 इंडियन. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. आर यू रेडी फॉर द राइम? लेट अस स्टार्ट द राइम नाउ. कैन यू सी दिस नंबर, चिल्ड्रन? कैन यू सी इट? कैन यू टेल मी द नंबर? Yes, it is number 1. So I'm going to place it over here. 1. And I have another number over here. What is this number? Number 2. Very good. 2 comes after number 1. So 1 and 2. Can you tell me what comes after number 2? Come on, guess. What comes after number 2? 1, 2, 3. The next number is number 3. Very good. And here goes number 3. Should we count? Okay. 1, 2, 3. But we were learning a rhyme. So let us sing. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indian. Okay. Now I have to complete the numbers and the order. So what comes after number 3? Number 3. Number 4. What comes after 3? Number 4. So here it is. This is number 4. Isn't it? Let us put this over here. After 3 comes 4. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes after number 4? After 4 के बाद में कौन सा नंबर आता है? Come on, guess fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5. Okay, so I'm going to place this over here. Let us count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What comes after number 5? 5, 4, 5 and 6. Number 6. Here is number 6, isn't it? Yes, this is number 6. I'm going to put it over here after 5. 6 comes after number 5. Very good. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 6. 6. What number will come after 6? 6. 5, 6, 8. No. Let us begin again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent. Number 7. And I'm going to put number 7 over here. Very good. Number 7. And what comes after number 7? What comes after number 7? Is it 10? Is number 10? No. 7 के बाद आता है 9. Oh, tie fish. No, number 9 doesn't come. Then what comes after number 7? Should we count again? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 8. Very good. Number 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So I need my 10 Indian soldiers. So I have not yet reached number 10. अभी मैम नंबर 10 पर नहीं पहुंची. तो कौन सा नंबर आएगा 8 के बाद? What number will come after 8? Let me think. There is 1, there is 4, there is 5. What is missing? 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 9. Okay, number 9 goes here. Number 9. Come, let's count faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let us sing the rhyme also. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indian, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indian, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indian. After 9? After 9? Number 10. Number 10. Tan, tan, tan. And my number 10 will come here. And my number order 1 to 10 is complete. Should we say it again? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 little Indians. Come on, let us begin singing our rhyme. Are you ready? Now, whenever Archana ma'am says ready, KGA children say, oh yes. Are you ready? Oh yes. Come, let's begin. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indian, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indian, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indian, 10 little Indian boys. But this rhyme is not all about boys. This is also about my lovely pretty girls. So, let us include the girls in the rhyme. Okay? 10 little, 9 little, 8 little Indians, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little Indian, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little Indian, 1 little Indian girl. To all the pretty girls. Okay? Now children, when I begin my counting from 1 to 10, so I go this way, it is called forward counting. And when I count from number 10, it is called backward counting. What is it called? Backward counting. Let us say it again. Forward counting. Come on. Say it with Archana ma'am. Forward counting and backward counting. Very good. One last time. Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Yes. Come on, let's sing it again. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indian, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indian, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indian, 10 little Indian boys. What was this? This was forward counting. Now it's time for backward counting. Are you ready? 10 little, 9 little, 8 little Indian, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little Indian, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little Indian, 1 little Indian girl.
This is a page from our rhyme book. The name of our rhyme book is Rhyme Time. This is our first rhyme or a poem, and it is from our book. Let us sing looking at the picture. Are you ready? Come on, let's sing together. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indian, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indian, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indians, 10 little Indian boys. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little Indians, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little Indians, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little Indians, 1 little Indian girl. Children, look at this picture. Now I will ask you a few questions and you will have to answer in simple short sentences. This activity is called picture reading. You have to observe a picture, look at the picture very carefully, and then answer questions in very simple sentences. Okay, should we begin? How many children are there in this picture? And you will answer, there are 10 children in this picture. Did you count? Yes, there are 10 children in this picture. What are the children holding in their hands? The children are holding the Indian flag. How many colors are there in the Indian flag? There are 3 colors in the Indian flag: saffron, white and green. What are the children dressed as? The children are dressed as Indian soldiers. You too can practice this activity, the picture reading, at home using pictures from your storybooks or magazines or newspapers. Activity time. Make a number line on the floor with numbers 1 to 10. Walk forward and say the numbers 1 to 10. As you walk, you will say the numbers aloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can also do backward counting, beginning from number 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do the activity and do not forget to send me your videos.